My name is Alao Lateef, and I am the CEO of A4WS. My business started in 2017 with just 4 pairs of shoes. I was shattered. I was extremely sad because when I was called that the looting has been going on in the mall, please kindly check up your store. A friend of mine called me and told me that you need to check. I told him no, I cannot go there. So he said you need to check. I said I cannot go there. So luckily I came. So when I got here, I already see that they have vandalized everything, and I was there while they were looting my store. I was standing, and while they were packing shoes, while they were packing t-shirts, and when I was looking with cutlasses, axes, and I was like, well, I had to leave. And when I got back home, my wife was 9 months pregnant at that time, and she was asking me, what's up? What's up about this? Did they get to our store? I said, no, they didn't get there. So I had to tell her the next morning that it was actually burgled, and I had to calm her down. Even friends, people calling her that A4WS has been burgled, A4WS has been burgled, and she said, So I had to calm her down. She didn't see it in my face, but in my mind I was being burnt. I was burnt down. Like in my mind, I was extremely sad. But thank God today, A4WS is here. I found out our Stanbic IBTC Let's Rebuild campaign through a WhatsApp group created by the shop owners in Palms Mall, Ilorin. A guy posted that on the group that people should try to fill the form. I filled the form with just the belief that, well, anything can happen, because the Stanbic IBTC said it was for the federation, for everybody which he or our shop was vandalized or so. So I got to, and when I filled it, I just hope, and after several months, which I filled it, I got a call from them that I was granted. So I was happy. I was extremely happy. I was happy because I didn't have an account with Stanbic IBTC when they called me that I won a grant of 1.5 million naira. I was happy, and I immediately included that in my business. Immediately when I received the alert of 1.5 million, I was, oh God. So at first I thought, is it real? Was it real? Like, so, but immediately I got to order some t-shirts, some shoes. I just ordered different kind of stuff, and that has been added to A4WS growth. If I hadn't received the grant, I would not be happy, because it's an additional stuff for the business. So businesses need support, and I appreciate the support from Stanbic IBTC. I was not even expecting, because I had no account with Stanbic IBTC, but for them to give me these grants, even though I don't have any account with them, I really appreciate it, and I'm very, very happy. May Stanbic IBTC continue to grow higher, bigger, and better. My name is Alao Lateef Afolabi. I am a proud recipient of Stanbic IBTC Rebuilding Together grant.